If you're choosing a VPS provider, three of the biggest names are Vultr, DigitalOcean, and Hostinger. They all offer cloud servers, but they target very different users. So which one actually wins? Let's break it down. Vultr is all about flexibility and global performance. It offers a wide range of server types, including high-frequency compute and bare metal, with data centers all over the world. It's great if you want control over your infrastructure and need low latency globally. The pricing is competitive and deployment is fast. The downside is that the interface can feel a bit more technical, and it's not the most beginner-friendly option. DigitalOcean is the most balanced platform. It's known for its clean UI, great documentation, and developer-friendly experience. Features like droplets, managed databases, and one-click apps make it easy to get started while still being powerful enough for scaling projects. It's especially popular among developers and startups. The downside is that pricing can be slightly higher than competitors for similar specs. Hostinger takes a different approach. It focuses on simplicity and affordability. It's one of the cheapest ways to get started with VPS, and the custom dashboard makes it very beginner-friendly. You also get managed features that reduce the need for technical knowledge. However, it's less flexible and not as powerful as Vultr or DigitalOcean when it comes to advanced configurations or large-scale deployments. So the real difference is this. Vultr is for flexibility and performance. DigitalOcean is for balance and ease of use. And Hostinger is for affordability and beginners. Choose Vultr if you want maximum control, global server locations, and strong performance. Choose DigitalOcean if you want the best mix of usability, features, and scalability. Choose Hostinger if you want the cheapest and simplest way to get a VPS up and running. Bottom line, DigitalOcean is the best overall for most users. Vultr is best for performance and control. And Hostinger is best for budget beginners. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.